coffee, and hopefully later you can try out the EOS R5. This is quite new, and I'm not sure you can hear the audio from my mask, but it's okay. Stabilization is pretty good, and yeah, nothing much to say about it. It's good. Okay, what we have here, right behind Mark, is a couple of the wild display, and we are going to try and shoot their ball. I'm trying out the animal eye function. I'm wondering if I could see the eyes of the ants right now. If it works, it'll be great, but I doubt so. Yeah, that's a bit. We are shooting with 2 yellow lights because it's the traffic light. Might be pretty bad, but we are shooting right now at 6400 ISO, hoping it will look not grainy. Hopefully that works. And well, so today we actually tried out the R5 for us video folks, and for me personally, I find that the image stabilization, the sensor stabilization, is pretty good and it's really on par with Sony. Aside from that, we have different flavors of 8K and 4K. You need a CF Express card to be able to shoot 8K. While in 4K, you have your 4K 50p or your 25p, which can actually shoot your SD card. Which is great for poor folks like me who can only afford an SD card, because CF Express cards are super fucking expensive. And yeah, how about the image quality? I think... Bye. Well, for the image quality, I feel that it's pretty similar to the EOS R. Well, it's Sony, so it's the Sony. What the
Should I just keep rolling?
I have no idea what else to say. Yeah, I think just keep rolling. I just do the ACS thing and just talk rubbish.
Yeah.
Okay, you're rolling, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Yeah, that's it. There's nothing much change from the EOS R except that you can shoot 8K, you can shoot 4K, in 60 or 50p. And that's it. If you want to get this camera, I would advise on seeing your own needs and just wait for the R6 to see if that would fit your needs better than R5, because the R5 is expensive. I'll probably put a text somewhere about how expensive it is, but well, if you're loaded, if you're so rich, then get the camera. Thanks! Every time I shoot out of a car, right, it just reminds me of New Zealand. Yeah. Like, get stuck in the car for like 3 hours.
Aroha, Aotearoa.
Stabilization.
Kia ora, whānau.